In this tutorial, we will show you the advanced grid system of Impeka. There are many options in columns that you can use to create any layout you need. Let's see some of the most important that we can find in this page. First, we will see the vertical alignment. Here we have 3 columns with different vertical content position. Let's see how we can change it. We go to our editor and we click to edit column settings. In General tab, you will find the vertical content position option. Let's add the bottom content position here and we click Save Changes. In our second column, we will add top position. We click Update and let's see the result. And this is the new vertical alignment in our columns. Now, if we want to change the column order on mobile, we should go again on column settings, width and responsiveness tab, and in column order, you can choose the order value for tablet and mobile devices. Let's make this column to be the second. We can make this the first. And this will be our third column. And now let's see the behavior in a mobile device. And here it is. The column order has changed. Cool, right? Now let's see what are the possibilities for column background. Like here, in these columns, you can see different column background options. Let's go to Editor. And in Column Settings, Style tab, you will find the background type option. Here you have all these options. Let's try a gradient color. And we can also change the direction. In our third column, we have a background image with the parallax effect image type. We click Save and Update. And now we can see that this column has a gradient background and this one has a parallax image background. Now we will see how we can add a link in a column, like in this column here. We go to column settings. And in General tab, you will find the Add Column Link option. You turn it to Yes and then set the link URL. Now we will see how we can add the column effects. Here we can see that we have a mouse effect, a move mouse effect, and in the third column we have a parallax effect. Let's go to the column settings. Here, in Effect tab, in Column Effect option, you can choose any of these values. Let's try the Move Mouse X and Y. And below you can see other effect options. We click Save Changes, and in the third column, as we can see, we have added a vertical parallax effect. Here you can see that the mouse move effect does not affect on devices. However, vertical parallax effect will show up in devices. If you don't want it to be displayed, you can go in Width and Responsiveness, in Column Effect, and you can disable it in Mobile, Tablet Portrait, or Tablet Landscape if you want. You save changes, update, and let's see it on a mobile device. And as you can see here, columns don't have any effect. And last, we can see how we can add border, margin, and padding in specific columns. In Design Options tab this time, you can set different padding, border, or margin for your column, and of course for different devices. And these were the most important and powerful options on columns on WPBakery Page Builder. Thank you for watching.